Okay, a little garden update here on our Life in the Sticks. A week ago we planted the corn, doing very well. Got 3 rows there. Got potatoes. They're starting to come up slow. They're a little slower to come up, but there's one coming up. There's some right there. Some more. So yeah, they'll be up here. I see them coming down through there. I don't know if you can see them on the video. I didn't show planting our tomatoes and peppers. I kind of forgot the video that we were going to get a storm and I wanted to get them in, so I hurried up and put them in, and I realized I didn't video it. Here's our beans, doing really good. This row is beets, and if you look right here, they're coming up. Next row is carrots, and they are coming up. They're just little tiny buggers though. Coming up all the way down through there. Onions, doing very well. And down here, cucumbers. So they're coming up all the way along here. And it's very warm here in Ohio and humid, so everything's gonna probably grow like a bad weed. So there's our garden update. Thanks for joining. Like and subscribe.